Thank you, Jordan. With the Canadian Football Premier League set to kick off in April of next year, opportunities will be available to Jamaican footballers to play overseas, as the league will start with 7 franchises. Simon Preston tells us more.
Jamaican and Caribbean players will be presented with another avenue to ply their trade in North America come April 2019 with the launch of the Canadian Premier League. This comes at an opportune time as players from the region have been seeing less playing time in the US Major League Soccer due to imports from Europe and the US Soccer League. Former head coach of the Canadian national team, Stephen Hart, will be the coach of the Halifax Wanderers in the inaugural season, and he believes this league will be a good avenue for Caribbean players to transition into Europe.
As for the league providing opportunity for other teams in CONCACAF, I think especially for young players that are trying to break into the professional sort of football, it could prove just another league for them to showcase their talent, probably cut their teeth, learn to be professionals, and move on to bigger and better things.
With this new league set to kick off in 5 months' time, what will happen to the Canadian franchises currently playing in Major League Soccer?
The MLS, we have to take our hats off to them. They're established now. Crowds are spectacular by European standards in some franchises. They're there to stay.
Football analyst and general manager of Harbourview Football Club, Clyde Giardini, sees this new league as one Jamaican footballer should strive to achieve, with 25 players to be filled on each team.
No doubt the rosters and the job opportunity and the development will be there because it's such large numbers. And initially, what I hear them banding about is a salary scale of about 40,000 Canadian dollars, which is on par with the lower reaches of the MLS now. So they're looking for younger talent. They're looking for new opportunity. They're looking to siphon off from those extra numbers and quality in the MLS.
National player Andre Campbell played football with Ottawa Fury in Canada and believes Jamaicans should look to this market.
Most of these places, they have academies and, good quality coaches. Once the Canadian Football Premier League comes about next year, it should definitely be somewhere most of our players should be looking at as a destination where they can, kickstart their pro career.
The player draft for the Canadian Premier League will be held on November 12. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Simon Preston.